Hello, year six. I hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's video, we're going to discuss something that is very, very important that I need you to watch before doing the homework. But at the same time, it's extremely easy. So here, just to start this, we're going to start it with this question. 10% of my number is 7. What is my number? So here, they're not asking you to find what is 10% of 7. No, this is not what they want you to do. They're not saying what is 10% of 7. You all know how to find a percent of a number. Of course, 10 over 100 and of 7, but this is not what they want here. They want a 10% of my number. What is my number? So 10% of what? All right, so to find this, if they want you to find the original number that the percentage is taken from, you must find the 100%. You must write under it here like this. That's it. 10%, they're saying this. 10% of my number is 7. Then that's your mission now. 100% is what? 100% is what? All right, the same thing. We're going to do this together now, but I'm just, guys, letting you understand your target clearly. They're giving you a percent of a number is 7, and if they want that number, then you write under 10%, 100%. Okay? Okay, mister, I need to find what? I need to find the 100%. Still confusing, mister. All right, look at this. After I wrote 100%, which is what I want to find, 10%, what happened to it to become 100? Oh, mister, that's easy. We multiply by 10. Then multiply the 7 by 10. Multiply the 7 also by 10. Becomes 70. That's your answer. That's it. That's the original number. So 10% of 70 is 7. That is the number that they want to find. So if they give you a percent of a number is 7, for example, here, like 50%. If you guys didn't get this completely, look at the second question here. It's going to make it clearer. 50% of my number is 7. 50% of my number is 7. What is my number? The same thing exactly. I'm going to put here 100% is what? I need to find the 100%. Mr. Always? Yes, always. The original number that they want you to find is always 100%. Okay, so 100% is blank. You're not going to find it there. You put this. 100% is blank. Then what's next, mister? Again, what happened to the 50 to become 100? Oh, mister, this is easy. We just doubled. Exactly. So just to double this here, it becomes 14. That's it. Okay, Mr. Oh, yes, this makes sense actually, because 50% of my number is 7, which means half of my number is 7. So to find my number, I need to double, which is 14. Yes, exactly. So this way will always work with you. Okay, guys, again, 10% of my number is 7. Then what is 100%? From 10 to 100, I multiply by 10. From 7, multiply by 70. This line, the 100% line, you are the one who should add it there. All right, the third question, let's have a look at this. Please pay attention to this. It's going to become even easier now if you focus. All right, 25% of my number is 5. What is my number? Oh, what is my number? They want to find the original number. They don't want a 25% of 5. No, no, no. They want to find the original number. Okay, the original number, Mr. Ahmed said, it is always 100%. Always 100%. So I'm going to write here 100% is what? I find this blank, then I find the answer. That's it. Always, Mr. Yes, always, Mr. Put here the 100% is what? From 25 to 100, what happened? You should know by now that 25, we just multiplied by 4 to become 100. So the 5 also, we multiplied by 4 will give you 20. That's the original number. This is my answer. Guys, please, if you don't really get it, watch this once more. You're going to get it. It's just a piece of cake. Just to put there 100% is what to find the original number. See the change that happened in the percentage from 10 to 100, multiply by 10, multiply by 10. multiply it here by 2, multiply here by 2, multiply it here by 4, multiply here by 4. Mister, what if they give me other numbers? They will not. And if they do, you're going to find that maximum, they're just going to give you 20%. Oh, so from 20% to 100, you're going to multiply by. Sorry, guys, I guess that I faced a problem with my internet connection, but it's still recording. So the next page here, Hannah got 21 out of 30 in her English exam and 31 out of 40 in the math exam. They want you to convert to this mark. This is what happens with us teachers all the time. We have your marks, guys, this way, 21 out of 30, 31 out of 40, but we always convert this into percentage. So here, what is Hannah's English mark as a percentage? All right, so look at this, 21 out of 30. English mark is 21 out of 30. I allowed you to use the calculator, and in the test, it will also allow you to use the calculator. It says here in the homework on Google Classroom, question 14, page 238 must be answered using a calculator as shown and explained in the video. All right, so here, what is Hannah's English mark as a percentage? It's 21 out of 30. Open the calculator. 21 out of 30 means 21 divided by 30 equals, multiply the answer. You don't have to write to check SD right now. Just multiply the answer, whatever the answer that is going to come to you, multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage. 70%, mister. This is my answer. That's it. So she got in her English test 70%. Oh, Mr. Again, what did you do? I did on the calculator 21 divided by 30, not 30 divided by 21. So it's always this way, 21 divided by 30. Divided by 30. And the answer, we multiplied by 100. Will give you the 70. You can try it on your calculator right now and see it will give you 70%. All right, what is Hannah's math mark as a percentage? The math, pause the video, do it on your calculator, and then check your answer again. I'm gonna do the same thing exactly. 31 out of 40 means 31 divided by 40, and then I'm gonna multiply it by, oh, sorry guys, this is 100, not 10. And then I multiply it by 100. So here, let's go, 31 divided by 40, the answer, multiplied by 100 equals, oh, give me a fraction, mister, SD, 77.5. And this is my answer here, 77.5% in math. Okay, mister, now I get it. Now we get how to get the percentage, but they are asking us here in the third question another thing. They're saying which mark is better. I see that in English, Hannah lost 9 marks. And I see that in math, she also lost 9 marks. So I'm gonna write to them, both tests are the same. None of them is better than the other. Sorry, wrong. Why? Because this is 21 out of 30, but this is 31 out of 40. Different numbers. If you want to make sure whether they are the same or not, get the percentage. So Hannah's percentage in the English exam, we found it 70%. In the math exam, we found it is 77.5%. So definitely here, the math mark is better. The math mark is better. The last question here, just to remind you of what we did in the session. We did this already in the session. We said if Lana's weight is 40 kilograms, her weight has increased, which means it has become bigger or more. She gained weight by 32%. How much weight did Lana gain? So now they're not talking about the new weight. No, they're saying how much weight did she gain? How much weight did this number increase by? So of course it's 30% of 40. So 32% of 40, which is 32 over 100 of 40. You know how to do this. Divide by 100, multiply the answer by 32, will give you 12.8 kilograms. All right, but the other question here is what is her weight now? It is 40 kilograms, but we added to it 12.8 which is 52.8 kilograms. Thank you so much, Year 6. And please, if you watch the video, share the link with the rest of your classmates and tell them Mr. Ahmed is saying it's extremely important to watch this before doing the homework. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.